Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I want to talk about dropshipping. What is dropshipping? As you all understand, dropshipping is all about sending a product directly from supplier to your customers. You're not actually going through the FBA warehouse. You don't actually have to send a product into Amazon directly. You can just send it straight from supplier. I'm going to be using this sword we just found recently on one of our videos as an example, and you can see here it's selling for $158.99 and the merchant fulfilled, and you receive $123.39 in clear net. That's what Amazon tells us. Obviously they're estimating their shipping price, but we're not going to have a shipping price for this product. Let's go back at Walmart. We're going to have it free shipping for $119.99 because this item is going to be free shipping, and the Walmart going to take care of sending out this product straight to a customer. So dropshipping is a very, very lucrative type of business to get into. That's why you see a lot of people trying out in these days, and it's quite simple to start, but it does have a lot of drawbacks as well. You must control your business correctly in order to make it happen. Okay guys, one of the most common reasons why people struggle doing dropshipping is because they cannot organize their business. They cannot organize the customer service. They cannot organize the order handling. They cannot organize their whole sort of inventory management process and how to deal with possible problems that could lead to account suspensions and etc. So but I'm just going to show you how much profit can you make from this particular item right now too. So this item $119.99. I mean, we're going to sell it for about what, $158.99. We're going to open up a calculator and see how much we can possibly make if we're going to drop ship it at this price. First of all, let's check new 67. Let's find out what's going on here. Okay, there's a merchant fulfilled seller is a probably drop shipper, and those are FBA sellers here. So automatically this I think this item doesn't have a buy box. Let's go back again. Yeah, it doesn't have a buy box. It's a hidden buy box. If you don't know what hidden buy box is, you can check out a video on my YouTube channel on this topic. Okay, so that's basically when item goes above the estimated retail value, and the Amazon just decides to take out the buy box, so you don't sell it at that price. Okay, so and you can see the keeper tool here also showing that Amazon was selling it for about 150 like some 2 months ago. So basically you grab a calculator, guys. Let's do a quick calculation. $158.99 and how much we can make from this one, and we're going to times by 0.85 because that's 15% is the commission fee Amazon takes out. So 134.14, that's how much you receive. Okay, now you obviously, that says 123, it says 135 because it kind of includes the $12 shipping for you based on the estimated weight of the item, but we have a free shipping here. How much do we have to pay here? We pay $119.99 plus we have to pay a sales tax as well. The sales tax in America is anywhere between 6 to 9%, so let's consider the highest sales tax. So remember this, guys, 135 price in mind. Okay, so we're going to do $119.99 times 1.09. that's one of the highest sales taxes, 9%. So you're going to possibly pay about $130.78. So your profit is going to be about 135 minus 130, about $5, give or take. You're also going to make about sort of up to 6% cashback from Walmart, so that's going to be an extra good $7-8. So your profit is going to be in total about $12 after all fees. And that's how dropshipping works. You just add the item to the cart and send it to the customer, and the Walmart takes care of all the fulfillment for you. And but of course you're going to be the one that deals with customer service. If there's going to be any problems, you have to answer for it. Okay, and that's probably the negative side of dropshipping, because you have to keep yourself organized, and you must have a good organizing team to do that for you. Okay, so let's go back and show you a couple more examples here. This one here, this truck, it's actually sold out, unfortunately. It was in stock like yesterday. $32.89 from Farm and Fleet, and it's selling for $52.99 here, but that's not how much we're receiving, as you know, guys. So let's just do a quick calculation. How much profit can you actually make versus FBA, for example, $52.99. We're going to times it by 0.85. Oh, sugar. Let's do it again. $52.99 times 0.85. $45. How much is this going to cost us? Well, it's going to be 32 plus extra 10%, give or take. So about 37 minus 45, about $8. Okay, 10% because of sales tax of 9%. I just took 10 as an example because 10 is just sort of close to 9, right? So you're making $8. How much would you make it from FBA? Well, you buy it for this price. You're typically going to buy in bulk. The sales tax not going to affect you that much. It's going to be divided between different units, and if you want to go back here, you're going to be making about sort of around the same profit margin, $6, maybe $1 or $2 less, I'll say. To be honest, actually more, because you're going to be buying in bulk, you're going to be making more in cash back, and you're going to get also can get some gift cards going on as well. So really, you're going to make about the same amount of money, maybe even more. Plus, you don't have to do any fulfillment, you don't have to do any customer service, and Amazon takes care takes care of the rest for you. That's the advantage of running the FBA business. Okay, so we've got another item here, just an example here for you: a Disney glass, Disney mirror. $12.55 receiving and $7.99 we're buying it for. I'll say give or take $2-3 profit roughly here. So that's how dropshipping, guys, really work, and I'm going to explain to you in the future videos how to control your stock, how to control your customer service, and what you need to know in order to continue thriving the dropshipping business. And it is a business model to be done, but you gotta be very, very organized for this one. Okay, and that's why I keep telling this to everybody. And if you want to do drop shipping, do it right, okay? Especially on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.